We analyzed 148 FDA warning letters and found something nobody's talking about. It's not a documentation problem, it's a system problem. 76% of these letters cited more than one connected failure: CAPA, investigations, training, root cause, all at once. Weak investigations lead to CAPAs that fix the wrong problem. Wrong CAPAs mean deviations repeat. Repeat deviations make training records unreliable. One broken system, wearing 4 different labels. Why? Most quality systems still run on spreadsheets. No audit trail, no cross-system links. The CAPA sheet doesn't talk to the training sheet. The deviation log doesn't talk to anything. BizPortal's QC flow connects it all. One investigation linked to every related deviation, CAPA, and training record. A CAPA can't close without proof it worked. No manual handoffs, no gaps. The companies that pass FDA inspections aren't the ones with the thickest SOPs, they're the ones whose systems are connected. Want to see the complete analysis? Book a consultation.